Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make consumable potions and foods in Dragonheir Silent God. So I made this video for beginner or new into this game. So firstly you have to go to the camp, your camp first, and you can see some feature here like Forge, Otherworld Horn, Heroes, and this one, Cooking Pot. Tap the cooking pot, and as you can see in this feature, you can make a potion that capable of fully restoring the HP of your heroes, and also you can make this buff. Let's tap the detail information here. By blending different combination of ingredients, you can create a variety food to treat yourself and the heroes who fight alongside you. So you can learn about this like food effect and also the cooking pot, also the cookbook. Like this, I got this cookbook, but I don't have the ingredients. And also this one, you can put the ingredients random one to, and it's questionable. Maybe you can get a random item, random potion, or random food here. So please free to try the cooking pot feature in the camp. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also, click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.